Want to play a YouTube video in the background while you do other things on your phone? We are here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to play YouTube in the background on iPhone. Now let's get started. Before you can play YouTube in the background, you'll need to check a couple of your settings. First, open your Settings app and select General. Then select Picture-in-Picture. This is what allows you to have a floating video window above your main screen. Make sure this setting is enabled. Then open the YouTube app and tap your profile icon in the bottom menu. Tap the settings icon at the top. Then select Playback. In here, you'll also want to ensure that Picture-in-Picture is enabled. If you don't see this setting option, you may have to subscribe to YouTube Premium to get access. Once you've properly configured your settings, you can begin playing a video that you want to have going in the background. To get the floating mini player, just swipe up from the bottom of your screen. You can move the floating window around wherever you want it to sit on your screen, and swipe it to the side to hide it if needed. You can even lock your phone and the audio will continue to play in the background. You can control the playback using your device's built-in media controls. That's all it takes to play YouTube in the background on iPhone. Want to learn how to set a sleep timer for YouTube? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.